Okay, we're gonna try to be doing a Rubik's Cube video today. So, first cube we're gonna be trying is, where is it? It's like a flat dragon cube. It's down here somewhere. It's right here. That is not it. Of course, it has to do that every time. Right here. This one, dude, oh my gosh. Oh, this is gonna be quite difficult, I think. It's really not that difficult, dude. Solved it in 4 seconds. Seriously? Look. My god, guys. They like scramble at the same time every time. Look. Ready? Oh my god. Try one more time, okay? Just gonna give it one more bam. Just gonna scramble it up like they scramble it. Easy. Okay, now we're gonna be going on to the 3x3. Just a little bit, like a lot harder, but okay, go. Boom, bam. Got it, let's go. Bruh, I solved it in 14 seconds, Rocky. Like a 3x3. That's cool. Okay, ready, set, go. Boom, bam. Wow, it's actually getting, like, because I've actually tried that one a couple of times. It's, like, getting a little bit better. By the way, does this even have any sound? No, it doesn't really. Don't get comfortable, yeah. This game is awesome. Getting pretty good at it. Bam, bruh. 17. I said 3.3. 17 seconds, dude. That's actually really good. This one's a little bit difficult. Bowling, I don't even know what that's weird. This happened to me so many times. Okay, so trying this, not really getting it, so it's kind of hard. Ooh, bruh. As soon as I say that, oh no, sorry, no. Now we got Rocky, and I'm gonna have Rocky solve this one.
I don't know if I can.
Okay, ready? Solve it.
Oh.
I solved it like 6 times.
Whoa.
Okay, let's see how long it takes Rocky.
It's probably gonna take me a year.
My best score is like 40-something seconds. Set it on the leaderboard.
How do I do this? Nope. I feel like. It's hard.
This is hard. This is the hard one.
I don't know.
Give up whenever you want to.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. 57 seconds, bro. See what my best time is.
I got your best time or no?
No, I had 8.33 seconds.
Probably because you did that one.
No, they scramble it for you.
Was that easy scramble?
Yeah. Okay, let's see how long it takes me to do it, okay?
This is kind of a easier scramble. That's a way easier scramble.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
Not. It's not that much easier, Rocket. Gold bridge.
no.
It is on, though.
But your mom to get you.
She didn't. Splash. 37 seconds.
Can I try one more time?
Hold on. Let me go to a different cube. 4 by 4 by, not a 5 by 5, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 by 1. Okay, so
Insert.
hold on, as soon as I'm gonna do this one, this is a 4 by 4 by 4. They can't hear that, Rocky. They're not allowed to hear that song. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but just to be safe. I can hear it right now.
Now?
Yes. Still.
Now? Now you can't.
No.
You're both in my ears.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is so hard. Ignore my dining in the background. Four by 4 by 4 1 by 1 or something like that. What am I doing? What? Why is it like that? It's weird. Okay, let me redo this one, okay? New game, yes. Okay, boom. Bam. Okay. Okay, let's go on to a different cube, guys. We've done that one like a couple times. Well, let me show you guys a different cool thing that I can do. Outer sides. Actually, no. Let me go to my favorite cube is a 3 by 3. And yeah, I really like this cube because one reason why is... Hold on, sorry guys, I should have... One reason why... oh my god. Oh god. There I am. Oh my god. Dad. Yeah, everything. Okay, I'm gonna try to solve this, guys. Whew, I hate these ones. These ones are hard, dude. Try to do an algorithm to get 1 or 2 sides, so. Oh, let me get. Dude, oh my god, this is so. Okay, I'm gonna go to a different, like a good 2x2. I'm gonna show you guys how to get 1 side on it. Okay, 2x2x2. Easy. 1 side, easy. Okay, so let me scramble this up, guys. Let me go to training. Okay. Scramble down. Sorry, it's like way too close. Okay, scrambled up and show you guys. First of all, you have to get 3 right here. And then you have to see it right here. And then you have to go right here. And you go down, bam, up, over, down, bam. Repeat that until you got 1 side complete. So you gotta go bam. Hold on, let me show you guys how to do it. Whew, sometimes it kind of takes a little bit. I can't do it. Why? Okay. Never mind on that part. Sorry. Now, I'm gonna solve a 20x20x20, okay? It's easy. Pretty sure. Yeah, this is pretty easy. Let's see. So, new game. Okay. So, let me start by bam, 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 bam. I want to see the leaderboards on this one. High scores. So you even solved this thing, dang. No one. No one solved the 20x20x20. Oh, that's crazy. Got your mom in the kitchen. Fucking blue. Nope. Not allowed to see down here. Sorry. I ain't sorry. I ain't sorry. Now we're gonna go to the square one. Okay, this one's really easy. Really simple to solve. So, you guys wanna see? Right here. Bam. Oh my god, dude. Bam. Solved. So, let me go to the new game. This is actually kind of a difficult cube to solve at first if you're just start learning. Because, what? Yeah, it's kind of hard to solve sometimes, guys. Whew. No, I'm not even doing that part. That's stupid. Right there. Perfect. So that's the video for today, guys. I'll get back with you guys later.